Thank you, Azuka, for doing this R&R even during this pandemic. And thank you to my team for their support. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Azuka, for this recognition.
Thank you so much, Abu, Manoj, and the whole IUC team. And also thanks to HR and admin for making this award reach me. Thank you. Thanks for the award. I would like to dedicate this award to all who have supported me and guided me on my path. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm very honored to receive this award. Thank you so much.
Hi team, thank you for the wonderful gift, and thanks for Anand, Amit and Kaushik for the supporting me and giving an opportunity to work with Web V2, and I will try to continue my work. Thank you very much for once again.
A big thank you to the leadership and management for the constant support in my Azuga journey and identifying me as a worthy for this award. This award is like a motivation for me to keep up the good work with dedication. So thank you so much for this appreciation and encouragement.